My name's Chris Gorse and I head up the Centre for Knowledge Exchange in the School of the Built Environment. I'll endeavour to give you a flavour of the projects that the CKE team are currently undertaking. First, we've established Target, the Construction and Property Marketing Group for Yorkshire. Green Vision is a joint venture between ourselves, Leeds College of Building and the West Yorkshire Lifelong Learning Network. And through Green Vision we run annual conferences at Leeds Met to address sustainability within the built environment. Working with Construction Skills, we successfully operate the Women Building Links group and network. We're heavily involved in Construction Excellence and the Construction Best Practice Clubs. This year, Arcom, the leading organisation for construction management research, is bringing its international conference to Leeds Met. Virtual Site. The School of the Built Environment has a long history of embedding research into its curriculum, and much of its current success can be attributed to the late Professor Robert Ellis, who, as a National Teaching Fellow, had the initiative to develop a web-based repository for resources for construction students. From this, a photo and video gallery, learning zone, site visits area and careers webpage were developed. Utilising 360-degree navigable images, flash technology, live webcams and thousands of photographic images, the virtual site has become a popular tool for disseminating information and developing teaching and learning resources. The site has also acted as a stimuli for engagement with other colleges and industry. Recently, based on our web experience, networking and delivery skills, we won a 2-year contract to deliver the construction sector network for Yorkshire and Humber. This is a substantial project and will promote industry and regional activity. The Low Carbon Housing Learning Zone, working with the Sustainable Building Association and with information collected from Professor Malcolm Bell's research, Dr. David Johnson and our virtual site group have built and continue to populate an open access learning zone, specifically aimed at addressing the needs of low carbon housing. The site provides the most up-to-date information on how to improve the building fabric for domestic properties to reduce energy demand. The site utilises the latest web technology to showcase the information. And on the back of this project, Dr. David Johnson is currently experimenting with 360-degree video technology to further enhance the site. As a school, we attract a lot of attention with regard to sustainable construction. This site provides a good way to disseminate research. Running alongside this, we also manage the Leeds Sustainability Forum, which meets to identify ways of addressing sustainable construction in the region and nationally. The Virtual Maths project, and more recently Motivational Maths, was initiated through one of Sally Brown's Teaching and Quality Enhancement Funds at Leeds Metropolitan University, and has since received grants from Bechter, Willen, National Centre for Excellence in Teaching of Mathematics and Yorkshire Forward. The functional maths and science resources on the site are contextualised in construction environments. This is one of the most advanced websites providing contextualised maths in engineering scenarios. The maths project is making steps in addressing one of the core skills problems facing construction and engineering industry. Functional maths is a key government initiative, and we're one of the few organisations providing free open access resources. The resource is being used by schools, colleges and universities to address functional maths curricula. Their interactive features on the site are proving popular in attracting general interest from the maths community. Work on the maths resource is undertaken in collaboration with our industrial partners and engineering experts. Through our research, dissemination of events and monitoring the use of the web, we become skilled in recognising how to improve our impact on the learning community. In the last few weeks we've launched Twitter sites and YouTube content. At the moment, new media are having a considerable impact on learning and resource usage. It's clear that the new social networking and other modern day technology are already adding to the way we access resources and disseminate information. The graph from Google Analytics shows an increase in the use of our web resources following a workshop that we ran and a later peak occurred when we became active on Twitter and published links on YouTube. We are able to keep a close eye on the changes in the web and resource use, and identify incidents that surround and stimulate change in web use. Virtual Salon. This project demonstrates our flexibility in developing innovative transferable technology. We were approached by Yorkshire Forward and asked to work with the Centre for Science Education at Sheffield Hallam University as part of a STEM initiative. Working directly also with Leeds City Colleges, we're now taking a lead role in creating functional maths resources for hair and beauty. When the champion of the new diploma asked the question, or said, "Don't ask me the hair and beauty question" when talking about academic standards, the School of the Built Environment has taken a step forward to address the challenge by embedding key skills in vocational courses and relevant contexts. Thank you for listening to the presentation.
Yeah.